Welcome to Artsy Madhu channel. I'm your Madoomitha. In this video, we are gonna see how to do some relaxing mini mandala artworks like these. So let's get started. For doing these kind of mini mandala artworks, all you need is some rough sheets. It can be any kind of papers. Here I have chosen to work with some cutout chart papers, a compass along with a sharp pencil and a black pen. It can be any pen like a gel pen or a stick pen or a ballpoint pen, and then a ruler. To start with, first of all, we should find the center point of your paper. To find the center point of the paper, like this, you just have to draw a horizontal line and a vertical line so that you get the midpoint of your paper. Now let's start to draw a mini mandala. Usually mini mandala works ranges between 4 to 5 centimeters. So here I've chosen to work with the 4 centimeter radius. If you have any pattern in your mind, you can draw the circles according to your pattern. If you are a beginner, you can just draw some random circles. So here I have just chosen to draw some random circles. So initially starting with the 4 centimeter circle radius. So now I'm just gonna draw a circle, a quite inward towards the center, like this. Usually I used to give a double layer to my mandala work because it gives some additional effect to my work. Yeah, like this. I used to draw a double layer to the mandala work. So like this I have already prepared a pattern. I have drawn some concentric circles of random radius. So the first radius is along 4 centimeter and the inward circles are of random radius. To start with, I'm just going to start from the center circle. I'm just going to trace out my center circle. Please be careful and pay attention while tracing out your circle. If you're not that good in tracing out your circles, you can use a compass that fits in your pen. And then for the first pattern, I'm just going to shade out my inner circle. And now I'm just going to trace out my second circle. So now I'm just going to draw lines in the second concentric circle. Yeah, now like this I'm going to follow the other 3 circles also, giving different patterns to each circles. So let's continue. For the next pattern, I just chosen to draw some petals. Filling up the blank spaces gives some additional effect to your mandala work. For the next pattern, I just thought of drawing a flower petal, so I didn't want to trace out my last circle. And now let us give some details to our patterns. Ta-da! Our mini mandala is ready. I just thought of adding some more details to the outer circle. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Artsy Madhu. Thank you.